welcome to my very first unboxing of Bibbidi Boxes. I haven't recorded a video in years, so this is totally different. But I've been, just like you, I'm sure you guys have been watching these unboxing videos and you're like obsessed like me. I'm so obsessed. So I finally caved in and I was like, I need to order one of these boxes. So I did the ultimate box, which is, I believe, $119. And I'm like, I gotta go big or go home. If I'm gonna, try this out and review it, I want to see the highest level, the highest tier that I could do. So enough talking. I can talk after. You guys can listen to me after. I'm just going to open this. Yes. The box is cute. It had clear plastic all over it. So that, it doesn't get all messed up. Okay. I know everyone shows this. Cute. All right. I totally took over my sister-in-law's room and I'm recording in here. Okay. Comes with this. Laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. Walt Disney. So cute. Okay, cute. All right, spoiler alert. Everyone talks about this. We'll see it after. It has pink paper. Okay. So I put in my preferences that I liked. Little Mermaid, Darth Vader, love Loungefly. And I was honestly scared because I thought, well, I don't know, I haven't seen it, but I'm like, are they going to give me something I have already? But I do not have this. How cute. This is a Loungefly Aerial backpack. So cute. This is good. This type of size is if you're going to go all day. You're not going to go back to your hotel to, change clothes or anything. You can literally pack everything in here. It's just like a regular school backpack. Okay. So cute. A little button for the straps, and it's just striped inside, a little sleeve there. Totally cute. I could wear this. I would wear this. Okay, next thing, they got me a Star Wars what are these called? It's a Turvis. So cute, and it slides just like that. Stormtrooper and Darth Vader. I also said Darth Vader was my favorite, so I love him. So yeah, perfect. Who doesn't want a mug-ish thing? And then I also got Star Wars playing cards. How cute. We can always play games. We always have family game night. Okay, two more things I see. Okay. Oh, totally cool. This is an iron-on patch. It has Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader. So I've been wanting to make a bag with just full of patches and stuff because I had just bought the Star Wars and Coach collection a while ago, and I'm like, I can totally make my own bag. So this can absolutely go on a bag that I want to make. And I believe that's the last thing. Oops. It's an Alex and Ani. Again, I was kind of scared. I'm like, oh, I hope I don't get the Ariel one because I already have it. And it is the Minnie Mouse Alex and Ani bracelet. So cute. It is the silver one. Adorable. I think I mainly just have gold, but I love to mix metals, mixing with gold, silver, rose gold, all of it. I'm not mad at it. So that was everything in my box. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. That was a lot. Okay, should we see the spoiler paper? Let's see it. Okay. Packing slip enclosed. Okay, so the Alex and Ani was $44.95. The Loungefly patch, which was this guy here, was $6. The backpack, which is adorable, was $50. The playing cards were $7.99, and then the Tervis mug thing was tumbler was $18.99. So I think it was a great box, absolutely. But I'm gonna tell you a secret. So I didn't know there was like an extra like whole page where you can literally like write. It asks you like a million more questions, where it's like if you really specifically want certain like park items, characters, like if you want clothes and like all these other things. I'm like, I did not even see that section. So I just renewed for the month of July. I made sure to fill out my preferences for the month of July because there were some special requests I really wanted. And I think you have like up until the 10th to submit all your preferences for the month. So fingers crossed, I did it. And let's see if anything I requested is on there. I know it's not 100% guarantee. This is just a fun box I wanted to try out, and I'm so glad I did. We all know Disney parks are closed temporarily. My family and I, we were supposed to go to Walt Disney World for the 4th of July, like this whole week, and it was a little bit of a bummer, but hey, safety first. And so, you know, just like bringing a little bit of like Disney magic to your own home is like totally awesome. And for my overall thoughts, like if you should get this or not, I think if you really want to bring some Disney magic to your door, absolutely go ahead. You know, I believe there's different tiers you can choose from. So, you know, whichever one works in your budget for that month, you know, customize it to you. And my favorite thing in the whole box absolutely was the Ariel backpack. She is my spirit person. I love Ariel with like a passion. This was absolutely my favorite. I think I did say I didn't want mugs or cups or anything in my preference, but I literally gave them nothing to go on. Like I said, I like Ariel and Darth Vader. They're probably like, and because I didn't know about the whole other preference thing that you can like fill out. So they're probably like, girl, what am I gonna put in this person's box? So, but I love it. I mean, you don't drink water? Like what? Everyone's gonna use this. So, I'm really happy I did get it. I love it. Coffee, water, everything. Alex and Ani, you can never go wrong. Even if like I had a duplicate, I wouldn't even care. Because you know, like sometimes over time they do get a little brassy and everything. So it's like nice to get a little fresh one. And Minnie Mouse, like I totally don't have her. So I'm really excited. And that one was a Parks exclusive. The cards, like you always need a deck of cards. You always do. Family game nights, road trips, camping trips. You always want some cards. And who doesn't? I love Star Wars. I love Star Wars. So, love that. And the patch, like I said, I've been meaning to make my own purse and like decorate it and put patches on it. So this is absolutely going to come in handy. I have some in like my Amazon cart. I just haven't bought it. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video, for clicking on this one, and just checking out what I got. So please stay tuned for maybe the end of this month, I don't know, for my July box. And also let me know what other videos you would like to see. I plan on doing a Disney bag collection because I have accumulated a lot over the years, and I also wanted to film my mini ears collection. Again, I have quite a few, and I don't know, anything else. I collect pins. I do a lot of other things, and just like pack with me videos. I'm obsessed with those, and I'm like pretty crazy about packing. Like, it's crazy. So I can show you guys that as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.